This pussy is wet. Come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. Let's role play. I'll wear a disguise. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. You can't tell me that's not bars.
No, God!
So the Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion, WAP song and music video has dropped. This shit dropped like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that. I'm late to the party, but I have a different opinion on this. Me personally, I love the song. Now, if you don't know what the song is, what you probably do if you're watching this, it's a song where Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion said a bunch of sexual, explicit lyrics in their last song, and the music video was very graphic as well. So, with that being said, a lot of people took offense to it. They didn't like it. They said it was inappropriate. If you listen to the song as is, it's basically like listening to porn. It's musical porn, practically. I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw this post and I resonated with it so hard. So let me read it to you. Let me explain Cardi B and her amazing ability to market the mess out of WAP. Cardi B has not put out any music in close to 10 months. She knows she gotta come back on go. She gets the hottest female rapper out now, Megan Thee Stallion, to feature, rap her best bars and wear her skimpiest outfits. She gets Kylie Jenner, the world's youngest billionaire and top 5 most followed on IG, to make a cameo. Kardashians also posted promo for WAP. She gets up-and-coming influencers and artists such as Normani Sukiani and Mulatto to make cameos in risque outfits. She drops the song and video on the same day. And no matter how much negativity the song gets or is getting, Cardi made WAP a new hashtag, a new acronym, a new trend. Almost every bar is a caption. Y'all may think this song was trash, but Cardi got 40 million views on WAP in a single day. Every song is not gonna be a hit. Just make it make money. And she executed to the fullest. Cardi and her team ate. Literally. I saw that shit on Facebook. I was like, I gotta make a video about this, because I'm not the only person that thinks this. If you don't like the song, I get it, but dog, do you understand why she made it? I just want to explain why she made it. So first of all, I think you guys should already know this. If not though, let me break this down. WAP is a cash grab. WAP is one of those songs where it's just like, an artist is gonna put out the song, they know it's gonna get a lot of attention, and they know it's gonna be a cash grab. Let me give you some examples of the commercial cash grabs. Drake's God's Plan. It's not Drake's best song, but it blew the fuck up, made him a lot of money. The Kiki song, also by Drake. The This Is America song by Oh fuck, hold on, give me a second. I had pizza right before this video, I'm tripping. This Is America by Childish Gambino. Now, I don't think Childish Gambino made that song for a cash grab, but we can't say that it wasn't a cash grab because I'm pretty sure it's his biggest song. So those are cash grab songs. Cardi B made this cash grab song. Let me break down the numbers to you. Statistics on the song and music video WAP. The music video broke the record for the most views within 24 hours for a female collaboration with over 26.5 million views in 24 hours. I don't know if you understand those numbers in your brain, but that's a lot. Cardi B broke records with this song. That's the only important part about this. There were 5 songwriters on the song. There was 2 artists, 5 songwriters. That means Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion got help writing the song. Pretty sure they didn't even have to write. So imagine walking into the studio, you got some songwriters sitting here and saying, alright, we got this brilliant idea. We're gonna write this song for you. All you have to do is get into the booth and record it and make hella racks off of it. And you gonna turn down that offer? Say psych right now. WAP debuted at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart, garnering Cardi B her 4th chart topper in the US, extending her record as a female rapper with the most #1 singles. So now Cardi B is a female rapper with the most #1 singles because of this song WAP. So you mean to tell me she passed Nicki Minaj, a rap legend? She passed Young M.A, who is one of the most lyrical female rappers out there? Come on now. Bro, she's making records. Why is y'all niggas mad? Who's mad? This is a last statistic, but this one is my favorite. Look, she got 93 million streams, 125,000 downloads, 11.6 million radio airplay impressions first week. I didn't even know people still listen to the radio. I did the math, okay? 93 million streams on Spotify alone. Mind you, this is 1 week after the song dropped. She got 93 million streams. That equals $406,410. Imagine you being dead broke. Hold on, I got something in my eye. Jesus Christ. Imagine you being dead broke, homeless, right? No money at all. Your bank account say zero. Imagine that somebody told you all you have to do is record a music video, and a week later your bank account go say 406,000, and you gotta wear some risque outfits, dance on the ground, and that's it. Just sing these lyrics, and you not gonna do that? I sell my soul real quick. You got me, boy. Anyway, I love it. I think Cardi B is a brilliant marketer. I don't know if she came up with this idea, but she's got brilliant marketing behind her. It reminds me of 6ix9ine. It's fantastic. The reason why I love this so much is that if you a small artist, you can implement these strategies. Anybody can do this shit, bruh. Figure out what people are gonna talk about, make a song about it, make a music video, put that shit out there. It don't even gotta be that good. I swear to you, there are plenty of songs on YouTube that have music video with $0 budgets, but we know it's all something that people gonna talk about, so it blows up. Let me give you a couple examples. Doja Cat came out with a song called Moo. Now this was the first song I ever heard about her, so I heard of her before she like really blew up this year. I heard about her like 2 years ago when she dropped the song Moo. She literally made a song singing about being a cow, had a green screen behind her, shot the video, recorded the song all in like 2 hours and posted that shit. The shit blew up and went viral. You can do the same thing. No money, no budget. No budget. You probably gotta pay for the beat if you don't know how to make beats like me, but no budget. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Man, y'all niggas need to quit hating on my baby Cardi, for real. How do you feel about this? Do you think that the song was good? Honestly, I really don't remember anything about the song. I listened to it once, I watched the video. I don't remember shit about it. I remember the video. I don't remember the fucking song. I don't remember what the beat sound like, I swear to God. I don't care about none of that shit. I just think it's sick how dope she marketed this shit and how much it blew up. Anyway, that's besides the point. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I will be here tomorrow. That's all I got. Love you, peace.